Viva La Muxer! What is the response to that, Chicanas?
There's such a strong base and a strong group of artists here, and we're not LA, we're not San Francisco, we're not New York. We're the Central Valley, and we have a lot of talent here.
My name is Ariel Bird Goodman, and I am an artist. I was born and raised in Fresno, California. I've always been really fascinated with ancient Mayan artwork, and so I was lucky to go down to Mayan ruins from a young age and started picking up books about their artwork and just totally enamored with it. So I'll use iconography from Mayan art and mythology. When you see my art, there will be incorporations of the cultural anthropology that I've absorbed, kind of reflected back in my art, so it worked out. The show Viva La Muxer is, to me, it means a recognition of the very, very powerful creators that women are. I mean, not only giving birth, but the nurturing and compassion that women have for all living things. The greatest thing is that I get to be among all these women artists in the community as well, and I'm really excited to make connections with them and perhaps do things with other women artists in the community from here.